I'm on my Hero 10 right now. This is the rig that I set up. It's the ONYX S5. It's in a tilted cage with a, it's a Nitsy cage that I got with a Nitsy handle. Small rig battery pack. This is a 99 amp hour one. I got the carbon fiber rods. Video Go mic, I believe it is. I'm going to be replacing that with a little better mic. I'm going to use a Nikon D7500 as my B-roll camera that can shoot 4K video. So we're going to be doing everything in 4K now. I'm shooting 4K on the GoPro. I will give you a list of this build. It's got the tilter, follow focus handle. I'm getting a name. I'm old, man. I can't remember all this crap. There's so many parts and wires and connectors. I've gone crazy building this thing. I've got the Blackmagic Design Video Assist 12G 7-inch monitor. Beautiful monitor. It's great. I don't know if you can see the focus peeking on there, the blue outlines, but it shows when you're in perfect focus. And I got a Samsung, I believe it's a T5 SSD on top to record. So this camera is usually limited to 30 minutes in 4K, but when I'm recording externally through the HDMI ports, I can record unlimited time with this. So with the 1 terabyte SSD, I got 600 minutes remaining. That's more than enough time to do the videos that I do. So we're going to be starting to do different things. I got a load of work coming up on Paul Phillips Fix, and we're going to have a load of stuff coming up on Art Fancy Imaging. So I hope you guys will tune into that. I would love to have you join us. And that's it. And I screwed up because I didn't leave the mic on the big camera, because I could have cut that soundtrack into this and had better sound. But I'm going to get shitty sound out of this GoPro mic. Sorry about that, guys. Trying my best. Learning as I go. All right. This is the camera rig I built. Like I said, I want to get the ONYX S5 Mach 2X, but this is the ONYX S5, and I've got a Canon EFS 10 to 22 mil on there right now, wide angle lens. This is the Tiltang Advanced Follow Focus. It auto focuses. As I turn this, it turns the nucleus nano motor that changes the it turns the gear ring on the lens. And I got small rig carbon fiber rods, got them on the bottom. I got a small rig base with a Kessler Klein, I think it is. I'll post all the names for the stand, which is nice because it'll stand up when I put it down. It doesn't flop over. I went with the small rig 99 watt amp hour battery that has a D-tap port on it, a 12 volt port, I think another 8 and a 12 up here, and a USB port and a Type-C. And then I have the small rig plate, the V-mount plate, which also has a D-tap, a 9 volt feed there, and another D-tap here, and a 12 volt feed. So there's lots of access to power there for whatever you want to run on here. And then I have the Video Assist by Blackmagic Design, the 12G. Beautiful monitor. Let me show you the focus peaking as I focus in. I'm going to go out of focus. Or maybe I got to be videoing for it to work. I'll video just to show you. Here I'm out of focus. Now as I come into focus, as I'm pulling focus, you'll start to see the blue lines. See the blue lines? That's the focus peaking. That shows you that you're in perfect focus. So that's a big aid for when you're pulling focus. I do have this mic. I forget what it's called. Video Go by Rode. I ordered a bigger Rode mic, but right now I'm using Pneumatic UW Mic 9 UHFC wireless mic set. It gives me great sound. It's been a big improvement on the audio. So when you subscribe, guys, you're helping the channel because it costs a lot to run this. I don't want to cry like a little baby, but a lot of money goes into the equipment for the station, for this channel, I mean. And nobody's making any money on YouTube, at least not with the viewership that I have. I only have 3,000 and something subscribers. Got to have a lot more than that to pay for all of this, but I get fulfillment out of this and a sense of pride when I'm able to help somebody out with one of my videos and I get a thank you comment. It makes my day, guys. So I thank you all. I appreciate you all. I hope you stay safe out there. And we're going to get into this build. I'll talk about everything piece at a time and give you links for them. And you can consider it if you want to do it as a build yourself. Sony is better with the focusing as far as the S5 goes, but the S5 Mark II is much better with the focusing. It's I think it competes or beats the Sony. But one thing with the Sony is they get hot and you can't film long. If I was just filming at 4K with this, I could film for 30 minutes. But being that I'm running the HDMI cable out to I have a T5, Samsung T5 SSD on top there that's recording. I can record unlimited amount of time. The camera will just keep going until the battery's dead or the SSD's full. And I got 598 minutes left on there, and I got a couple of videos on here, so lots of time. It's much cheaper than the cards using the SSD, but I also do use a card for a double backup on the video in case one of them gets corrupted. I don't lose everything. It's best to have redundancy when you're filming, especially if you're doing a paid shoot or something. You do not want to lose all your footage, man. That would really suck. So, guys, I hope you like my camera. I love it. I'm learning on it. I'm going to get better with it and hang in there and have patience. And I hope you'll see improvement on my videos, guys. I really appreciate trying to make it pleasurable for you. Thank you. Have a great day. Take good care of your cars. Take good care of your families. And most of all, guys, take good care of yourselves. Be safe out there. The world's going crazy, but keep a smile on your face. Got no choice. Can't change shit anyway, right? See you soon. All right, guys, this is the camera rig. You got to be patient with me. I have a 50 mil on here lens, and it's no in-body stabilization. I'm gonna have to stabilize in post with this. So that's a Lumix S5. I got a tilter cage on it, a tilter handle, a tilter advanced follow focus handle, and that has the do I have autofocus on? I don't even have autofocus on, damn it. All right, guys, you got to bear with me. I don't have in-body stabilization on this camera. I'm shooting with a Nikon D7500, older DSLR, but it's going to be my B camera because it'll shoot in 4K. This is a Lumix S5. Right after I purchased this and got this rig together, they came out with the Lumix S5 Mark II, and I really wanted to get that camera, but I already had this, so I got to start saving up because I want to get the Lumix Mach 2 X, the S5 Mach 2 X, because it can shoot in RAW, be raw from Blackmagic. So that's a Nitsy cage, Nitsy top handle. I've got the Blackmagic design 7-inch 12G video assist monitor on there, and I have the Tilta advanced follow focus handle, and that has a hope you can see it here. It's not focusing. Why is it not focusing on me? Maybe I'll go to manual focus. Autofocus seems to suck, huh? And right there you can see I have the Nucleus Nano motor that's driving my gear ring, my follow focus ring that I have on the lens. So that's good for focusing in manually. And with the camera you can set up focus peaking, which will give you an outline in blue when you're right in perfect focus. So that's a small rig wood handle. There's all kinds of components on here, guys. I'm going to have to go through all of them and make a list for you guys. I will show you the complete build. Excuse the out of focus again. This is a small rig. What is it? 99 watt amp hour battery. It has a couple of D-tap ports on it. And I used the small rig V-mount plate on there as well. That's right here. That has power ports coming out of it as well. Can't see anything. I needed a different lens. I shot this with the wrong lens, guys. I fucked up. I needed the wide angle lens. But anyway, that is the shittiest pictures of a camera you're ever going to see. But I will show you clearer ones. I'm going to trash this actually and do it on my GoPro.